Hello people, so today we will use on LeetCode DailyQuestion, that is 3163 string compression 3, and in this we'll be given a string of word and we have to compress it using the following algorithm. We can begin with an empty string COMP while word is not empty, and we have to use the following operation. We can remove a maximum length prefix of word made of single character C repeating at most 9 times, and then we have to append the length of the prefix followed by C to the comp. Basically, let's say this is the answer string comp compressed string in basically. So what we'll have to do is we can take like prefix of 9 similar characters. Let's say if we are having this example, it's like a better one. So in this we are having initially 14 a's then 2 b's. So what we can do, if we are having 9 characters which are same, which basically more than 9 characters which are same, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to take them in buffers of 9 9. So firstly we'll be picking up, I'm guessing like these, yeah, the 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, okay. So these 9 9a, then we'll be picking up the next buffer. If let's say this buffer was also exceeding by 9, so then again we'll be picking just 9a and we'll be appending in that way. Okay, so for this it will be 9a, remaining are 5 a's then 2b. Okay, so this is like our output final string and we have to make this only. Okay, so let's have a string builder and let's name it comp only, which is equal to a new string builder. Okay, and now let's have a iterator, or let's say index pointer basically. Okay, now while I is less than word dot length, what I'll be doing is I'll be having a count variable int count which is initially 0. Okay, now while I is less than the length of the word dot length, oh, we need to have a previous character also, so char prev, which will be equal to word dot char at 0. Okay, now while I is less than word dot length and my word dot char at I is equal to my previous visited character. So in this case I'll be incrementing my count as well along with my I. Okay, I. Now after this loop I'll be checking that while my count is greater than 9. Oh, let's just remove while, and if my count is greater than 9, and then I need to pick up in the buffer of these. So my total number of buffer will be equal to count by 9, and that will be giving me like the total number of buffers which I am having. So what I'll be doing is I'll be running a for loop that for int I equal to 0, I less than buffer. Oh, so no, I cannot take I. Total buffers, let's say buffer. So int buffer equal to 1, buffer is less than or equal to buffers and buffer plus plus. What I'll be doing is I'll be appending comp dot append 9 along with the character, so that is prev. Okay, prev, not prev like this, yeah, prev. Okay, and after this I'll be updating my count mod equal to 9, and I'll be having the leftover characters. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a comp dot append count and also append the character. Then I'll be updating my previous character. So if my I is less than the word dot length, what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my prev equal to word dot char at I. Okay, and at the end I'll just return comp dot to string. Now let's give it a run, and it works perfectly fine. Now let's submit it. Oh, it says wrong answer. Oh, I just missed that. Yeah, I'll just submit it again. Okay, so I'm having the wrong answers. Why that? Because, oh, okay, here I need to add if, check as well that if count is not equal to 0, let's make some changes to the code. Now let's submit it again. Or we could have just used, well, yeah, and it gets accepted and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so just for today. Thank you for watching.